Hey y'all, so I'm on my way out, and before I go I need to refresh my mini twists and put them in a style. As you can see, I have like some new growth. I've had the front part retwisted like twice, and the back part has been the original. I got this twisted probably like over 6 weeks ago, so it's time to take them out, but I'm trying to stretch it as long as possible. So what I do is I like put some water on my hands first, and I just like rub it through the twist on the front. Don't get my makeup messed up. On the front and the back, all through it, just to kind of get it a little damp. And then I use Moist Restore. It's very important with twists to keep them hydrated from the root through the shaft, so that you don't experience any breakage. And this also helps to put some more shine back in my hair. Moist Restore. So I just put it all over from root to end. I do it front, back, sides. Just want to make sure that my hair feels really, really hydrated, so that it's not looking dull or anything like that. Do it in the back. Okay. Back, I had to get 2 hair ties, so I'll probably do like a claw clip type of style. I typically leave like a little out in the front for like my bang. And then I take the sides, just take like a little bit from the sides. And oh, forgot. You set it off, just lick it down. So on the sides, I put a little bit of set it off just for like hold, shine, control frizz. So I'll put that on the side, on this side, and then I'll put some on this side. Okay. So let me first take out what part I'm gonna leave in the top, which will probably be about this much. So I'll clip this part first, and then what I'll do is I take this part, the back, I put it in a little pony because my hair is kind of like in a bob right now, so it's a little shorter. Smooth. I put like a little bit more, set it off. In the back, just to make sure it's smooth. Okay, then I'll take this top part. Okay. And I will put this in a top sort of pony. Y'all see that shine? You see that shine coming through on my little curls? Okay. And then I have a big claw clip like this. So I just take this back part, a 2-part claw clip. If I can get it by holding it, okay. Put it in the back, bring it up a little bit. And that's my claw clip style. Okay. All right, so then from there, get a little bit more water, put it through here. Just want to make sure it's going to be nice and hydrated. And then I get some of the set it off. Put that on here. As you can see, the white goes away. And then I just go through sort of like each twist and just like twirl the ends of my twist to just like activate the curls again. As you can see, they're doing what they're supposed to do. They're activating. And I just kind of do the ones that are puffy. Okay, so as you can see, it's curly. And I hope you can see, camera is not doing it justice how moisturized it looks and feels. Shoot. And what I like to do is kind of push my baby hairs down a little bit. And again, the white will go away. All right. Now I'm just gonna put my earrings in and I am ready to go. Bye.